Welcome back to my dear friends and crafting lovers. Hope you are doing well. Today we are diving into the magical world of Christmas home decoration from rustic handmade ornaments to cozy corner setups. We will explore creative, affordable, and heartwarming ideas to make your home glow with festive spirits. So grab a cup of coca and sit back and let's begin our Christmas transformation together. Let's start right from the entrance. The first place your guest your family will see. You can decorate your front door with a handmade wreath crafted from pecans, jute, fairy lights, add some cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, and a bow from a warm rustic look. If you prefer something more minimal, hang a wooden sign with Merry Christmas painted on it, maybe even with your family names. Don't forget your doormat, a cute Christmas mat with reindeers of snowflakes immediately set the tone. Now let's move into the heart of your home is living room. There's where the Christmas tree shines. Choose between a traditional green or tree, a modern wild one. Decoration with handmade ornaments, crochet stars, jute bows, and pine cones. Add fairy lights to bring them sparkling magic to life. For a cozy feeling, place candle in glass jar, a mason jar, lantern filled with artificial snow or glitters. If you have a kid, you can even make a memory tree. Hang small picture from the past Christmas on the branches to make it extra personal. Bare walls can easily be turned into festive art. Try creating hanging wall craft using leftover fabric, jute or felt, make stars, snowman, or even Christmas quotes written on recycled wood. In corner place a mini wooden ladders, tree of or stacked gift boxes wrapped beautifully and touch on nature's dried leaves, grave pine cones or twigs for that earthy charming vibes. Now it's time for dining area, the place for family gathering and together start with the centerpiece made from pine cones, candles and greenery and napkin rings made from jute rope and small ornaments. You can also decorate glass jar and bottles with gold paints on burlap for a warm glow. In the kitchen, hang small wreath or cabinet doors or place a teeny Christmas tree near the windows. Your bedroom deserve a festive touch. Use soft fairy lights around your mirrors or headboards are add Christmas themed cushions through and throws red, green, or snowy white. Hang mini stocking or wooden ornaments above your bed for claiming for calming and mindful feeling. Keep scented candles with pine cinnamon's fragrance. It's make your space peaceful and cozy, perfect for winter nights. Remember, Christmas decoration does not have to be expensive. You can reuse material from nature's pine cone wood piece, grass, or even old fabric. Leftover fabrics crafted together as a family bring joy, mindfulness, and creativity. Each handmade items holds a special memory for valuable than bought decor, so that you can transform your home into a cozy, magical Christmas wonderland full of warmth, creativity. Hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and must share the video with your friends and family, supporting my creativity, my crafting. I really very appreciate your support, your comments, your suggestions. I love that, and I'm very thankful to you for your support, watching my videos, supporting me, share your thoughts, your comments. I really love it. So stay tuned with us and must share your valuable comments, your thoughts, your suggestions. You can also visit my channel if you are new, so please must visit my channel. There is lots of amazing craft, DIY projects, tutorial, step by step, my crafting. I really love you all. I'm pray for you. Spend your holidays with your friends and